In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn uppercase to lowercase letters in Excel. If you've ever received data that's shouting in all caps, or you just want consistent formatting for names, titles, or labels, this quick method will help you clean it up fast. We're going to use a simple built-in Excel function so you can convert uppercase text to lowercase without changing your original data. First, click the cell where you want the lowercase result to appear. It's best to choose an empty cell so that your original text stays visible and untouched. This keeps things organized and lets you compare the result with the source if you need to. Now, type the formula. Start with an equals sign, then type the word lower, followed by an open parenthesis. Next, click the cell that contains the text you want to convert. You'll see that cell's reference appear inside the parentheses. Then type a closing parenthesis. For example, if your text is in A2, your formula should look like A's lower A2. You don't need quotation marks, and you can type the function name in lowercase or uppercase. Excel will recognize it either way. The key is that you're telling Excel to take the contents of that referenced cell and transform all letters to lowercase. Press Enter to confirm the formula. Instantly, the cell you selected will display a lowercase version of the original text. The original cell doesn't change. It remains exactly as it was. That's one of the advantages of using a formula. Your source data stays intact, and the result is calculated in the new location. A few helpful notes while you work. The lower function only affects letters. Numbers, punctuation, and symbols will remain the same. Spaces also remain as they are. If there are extra spaces before or after your text, they'll still be there, just in lowercase. If you see an unexpected result, double-check that your formula points to the correct cell and that you've opened and closed the parentheses properly. Excel may also suggest the lower function as you type. You can accept that suggestion to save a few keystrokes. That's all there is to it. Click the destination cell, type equal lower. Select the cell with the text you want to convert, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. It's a clean, reliable way to standardize your text and make your spreadsheets look more professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saves you time the next time you're tidying up text in Excel.